Hello, this is our first video. My son's name is Kyle. He's autistic. He collects vacuums. This is his first unboxing of a vintage Hoover.
Now?
And then we have sliced it a little bit for speed. There's the handle.
There's a wire on it.
Good boy.
It's got a plug.
Right, let's turn the box upside down now. We did sort of open it a bit.
There. There, guys. See who that is.
Show them the bag. Next is the unit.
Wow.
And there's the rest of it. Look.
Wow.
See what else is in there? There's a little front in there. Gonna put the front on. Other way.
So that's what weights and miles do.
There it
Dad,
is.
somebody put some of the stuff is in the sand.
Alright, yes, alright.
Get it out the sand. See?
This is a Hoover 370, 90 years old. And as you can see, it's in very good condition. We're hoping the next video it will be working. Bye for now.